Yeah, look at that army of help right there. Well, right now, a civil rights attorney is wanting $500,000 from the Phoenix Police Department and the city of Phoenix, claiming a teenager was assaulted by 3 officers. 12 News journalist Troy Lynch is looking into what happened.
Yeah, this story is really hard to hear and see. Any angle that you look at it, you know it's just a really tough situation when it comes to police and also the family. And we do want to warn you that this body cam footage that we have from Phoenix Police, it is a tough watch. Now, the video that you're seeing right now, this is not the tough part. We're going to get to that in just a second. But this incident happened last January, and the victim in this incident is now 18-year-old Sergio Nino, and he was 16 when this happened. Now, what you see here are the officers talking to the dad. In this conversation, the dad was explaining to the officers he was trying to talk to Sergio, would knock on his door a few times, but Sergio wouldn't open up. So the dad eventually used a screwdriver to open the door, where Sergio was pushing back on it. The dad, who claims to have paid for the phone that he was trying to get, tried to take it, and that's when a physical altercation happened between him and his son. So the dad called the police, in which the dad says in the video, this is not the first time he's called the cops on his son. However, during the conversation with the police officers, you can hear one of the officers saying it's okay to beat and drag his son as long as it's a form of discipline.
Well, you can. You're just choosing not to.
How though? I mean,
You drag him.
Really?
You drag him. You hit him. He's a child. He only has rights from the government. He has no rights from you. So if you wish to beat him, you can beat him. If you wish to belt him, belt him.
So this is the part that's hard to watch. Officers talking with Nino as Nino was attempting to show them a video of a fight that he got into with his dad on his phone. An officer takes the phone, and that's when a fight ensued. Blood can be seen on the floor later in the video from facial injuries that Nino suffered that required stitches, lawyers said. He also suffered a fractured wrist that required surgery after repeatedly saying in the body cam video that the handcuffs were too tight. Now, the claim was filed by Larry Wolken of Zwillinger Wolken PLC, who said in a statement, despite their duty as mandatory reporters under Arizona law, the officers ignored and dismissed multiple reports of child abuse from both Sergio and his sister. Now, this is a $500,000 notice of claim, which is a required step before filing a lawsuit. And this is against the 3 Phoenix police officers and the city of Phoenix. Now, the next step would be a federal lawsuit. And we've reached out to the Phoenix Police Department. They gave us a short response back saying that this incident is still pending litigation. We're here in Phoenix. Troy Lynch, 12 News.
All right, Troy, thank you.